Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make vegetable fried rice with leftover rice. Let's start. Cooking oil 2 tablespoons, chopped garlic 2 cloves. Saute for 1 minute and cook on medium to low flame. Chopped onion 2 tablespoons. None of it has to go brown. Potato 2 tablespoons. Just a little quick stir fry. Cabbage 1/4 cup. Carrot 2 tablespoons. We have to quickly stir it for at least 1 minute. Green peas 2 tablespoons. You don't really need to cook vegetables because you want the crunch. As the rice is soft, the vegetables should be a good crunch. Green chili 5 pieces. Salt to taste. Cooked rice 2 cups. Mix well. Now cook on high flame. Chili flakes 1/2 teaspoon. Black pepper 1/4 teaspoon. Where are you watching us from? Write in the comment so I can thank you all. Soy sauce 1 teaspoon. Add soy sauce on the rice and not the vegetable. Sugar 1/4 teaspoon. Coriander leaf. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share.